We come out to the bus station, we meet the men and women being released on their Freedom Day, and we try to just give them the dignity and respect that they deserve as they start new chapters in their lives. We provide them with basic hygiene necessities. We try to provide them with snacks and water to get on their buses, and just make sure that they have an opportunity to know that, one, somebody has been there and done it and is being successful, and two, that they can potentially have a long-term successful freedom and not have to return to prison if they just are willing to humble themselves and ask for help.
We get rid of those shoes right now. Let's go.
So these formerly incarcerated individuals, a lot of them don't have support at home. So they're coming out in state-issued shoes and clothes that are too big, they don't fit, men having pants that are too large. So being able to have access to something like a pair of flip-flops, a pair of shorts, a pair of pants, a t-shirt, something that makes them feel comfortable and not something that's just overwhelming and screams, "I just got out of incarceration," makes a huge difference in their morale and their self-esteem as they trudge on to this new chapter.
My name's Mike.
Mike, welcome to freedom. You come right over here, we're gonna get you all sorts of goodies, okay?
This is important to me because I lived it. When I was released from incarceration 4 years ago, my dad passed away right before I came home. I thought I had this whole plan of how my reentry would look. And when he passed away, it kind of turned my reentry upside down, and I had to learn the hard way how hard it was. And so for me, helping people not have to struggle the way that I did is so important to me, because it doesn't have to be that hard if you just have the support that you need to be successful.
There's some water, cold water.
So you got snacks in there. You got a travel size dignity bag.
To be able to have them come up and say thank you and just be so grateful, and a lot of them will cry, and it just makes my heart so happy to know that this little dream that we had on a floor in Gatesville, Texas, has turned into hundreds of men and women feeling seen and loved and important.